Hi guys, it's Rob here with another IT 120 Introduction to Network Technology review video. And I just want to remind you guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy these tutorials. And please don't forget to check out my other playlists on other courses at NJIT and the information taught in them. And these can help you both if you're a student at NJIT or if you want to be a self-taught learner. Now moving on, these cables use an F connector that screws on, making for a secure connection. And we're talking about coaxial cables here. Now, all cables have a radio grade RG rating. The only important measure of coax cabling is its ohm rating, a relative measure of resistance, or more precisely, characteristic impedance on the cable. Twisted pair cabling for networks is composed of multiple pairs of wires twisted around each other at specific intervals. The twists reduce interference, called crosstalk. The more twists, the less crosstalk. So I'm going to say that again. The more twists in a twisted pair cable, the less crosstalk. Now, shielded twisted pair, or STP, as the name implies, consists of twisted pairs of wires surrounded by shielding to protect them from electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Unshielded twisted pair, or UTP, is by far the most common type of networking cable used today. Now, to help network installers get the right cable for the right network technology, the cabling industry has developed a variety of grades known as category or CAT ratings. Now, CAT ratings are officially rated in megahertz, right, symbolized by the lowercase m, uppercase h, lowercase z, indicating the highest frequency the cable can handle. Now, the maximum amount of data that goes through the cables per second is called bandwidth. Telephones use RJ11 connectors designed to support up to 2 pairs of wires. Networks use the 4-pair RJ45 connectors. Now, a fiber optic cable transmits light rather than electricity, making it attractive for both high EMI areas and long-distance transmissions. A fiber optic cable has 4 components: the glass fiber itself, or the core, the cladding, which is the part that makes the light reflect down the fiber, buffer material to give strength, and the insulating jacket. Now, a fiber optic cable that uses LED lights is known as MMF, or multimedia fiber. A fiber optic cable that uses lasers is known as single mode fiber, or SMF. Now, using laser lights and single mode fiber optic cables prevents a problem unique to multimode fiber optics called modal distortion, which is signals sent at the same time don't arrive at the same time because paths differ slightly in length, and enables a network to achieve phenomenally high transfer rates over incredibly long distances. RS-232, the recommended standard RS upon which all serial communication takes place on your PC, dates from 1969 and hasn't substantially changed in around 40 years. The IEEE 1284 committee sets the standards for parallel communication. Now, FireWire, which is based on the IEEE 1394 standard, is the only viable alternative cabling option to fiber optic for UTP. Cable with a polyvinyl chloride PVC rating has no significant fire protection. Burning plenum-rated cables creates much less smoke and fumes. A third type of fire rating, known as riser, designates the proper cabling to use for vertical runs between the floors of a building. The IEEE, or the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, defines industry-wide standards that promote the use and implementation of technology. SneakerNet is an unofficial term, which means when you walk the save file over to another machine physically. Ethernet is a networking technology standard based on a bus topology. And guys, we're running out of time here, getting close to the 5-minute mark. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.